So hi guys, so today we'll see one more Java program, that is array. So array is a very important collection of what it has, collection of homogeneous elements. So homogeneous elements in the sense it has a same type of a data. So what I need to do is we'll see today how to create an array and how to access the elements. So just we'll create an object of array and we'll display. So that is how to do that. So this is an example for a demo of an array. Demonstration of array. So we'll create a class first, public class so we'll mention array demo. So only if you mention array as a class name, it will give a error, because array is an what keyword. So keyword should not be what your class name. So for that I am taking array and demo. So next we'll take a main method, public static void main. So it contain of type string. So this class will stay with the class name as array demo. So I am saving a file so with a class name because it contains the main method. So file, save. So I am just giving a class name and .java. So I am saving in a file folder. Yes, done. So now what I need to do is create an array with a length. Just will comment it, create an array with length. So I need to mention the length also. So how many elements your array going to handle. So that create array. So you are using an integer. So I will create an array of type integer in create a object. So using new keyword I am creating an array. So you are passing a length of array. So close it. So this is how we are created a array. So using a new keyword I have created an object of an array. And what is the length? So I have only 5 elements. So this is a variable, it going to handle a array type of a variable, that is age. So now, so how to access those variables? So accessing each element of the array using the index. So index is in a very important role it going to happen will to take here. So index of 0 in the sense first element, index of 1 second element, like that. So index going to be plays very main role. So you want to access a third value in the sense use that index and you can get that value. So we'll print some of the elements and we'll see is it working or not with the index. So print ln, I want to print age of index 5. So what will happen, we'll see is it working or not. Same with system dot out dot println, I want to display what age of what 4th. So 4th element index I want to display. So we'll see with the 5th and 4th. So it need to be display what it need to be, we'll check it first what it will display, and I will tell the reason why it is displaying so. So now we are in a correct directory, that is users tab desktop Vidya. So now compile the program, that is compilation. I need a command javac and program name is array demo and extension that is .java. So I have a error. What error I have? Check the error. So I getting some error here. We'll check it. Dimension missing. So we'll give 5. Array required, but it won't. So better we'll assign the values here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we'll see what will happen. If I directly assign the value, what will happen? So it is compiled perfectly now. Java program name test. Exception, index out of bound exception. So we'll start with the 0, in the sense we'll give 2. Okay. So now we'll try. So 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. So 0, 1, 2. 2th position is 3, and 4th position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th position is what? Our value is what? 5. So this is how you are just assigning the value. I have created an array, integer array of age, and I have given a values and just assigning values. I am accessing the values using the index. So 2th position index and 4th position index. So now you want to change the values. 10, I will change 20. So the index start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So index of 3 and index of 0. Yes, now compile. Run. So 20 and 10. So 20 in the sense 3 position, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 position, 3 in the sense 20, and 0 index is 10. So that is you are getting 20 and 10. So this is how you are just created a array. So create an array with a length. So length we are not given, so directly we assign the value. So create an array with the assignments. With assignment we have given 5 elements for the age of array, and I was accessing the array. So you can access all the values like this. System.out.println. So I will use age of 1. So next I will use another variable, that is system.out.println. So age is done now. Age, array of 2 are not done. So one more I need to display is what? 4th element. System.out.println. So how I am identifying here? I am just identifying with the indexes. So index with I am displaying. So only 4, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till 4, because yes, the index is starting with what? 0. So till 4 I am taking. Compile now and test. So now I am getting 2, 3, 5, 20, 10. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 20 and 10. So now I am getting all the elements. So this is how you just create a array and assign the values and how to access that one using the index. So next video we'll see the action part of the array. So till then practice these programs, and thank you.